Hello everyone, and welcome back to my balcony garden. I wanted to show you guys how things look at the moment before I start pulling some things. As you can see, the garden bounced back really well since the bleach water incident, and I got some unexpected surprises. But it's time to start thinking about fall. So, and some things have to go because they're not doing so well. It may look like they're doing well out here, but they're not doing so well. And I got some surprises. So, I don't know if you remember from the last video, but this bed was looking pretty empty. And I decided to bring out the grow lights. And I got some good things happening. This is bok choy. I got lots of bok choy sprouts out here. There's actually some spinach sprouts in the back that you can't see. These are some squashes. I believe they're zucchini squash. So I'm hoping I can get at least a couple zucchini before summer is over. And I've got them kind of up on this mini trellis to kind of make space for the bok choy. Because see, there's some under here.
Mommy, didn't wait.
That's good. And so I wasn't sure how things were gonna go when I planted those two seeds, and things are really going. Let's see, I'm gonna turn off the light. There we go.
Why?
Mommy's recording, okay? So now you can see how good it looks under here. And this is the kale that bounced back really well after I cut it down to just one stem on each one. This right here are my peppers, cayenne peppers. They were really skinny. They were taller than this, but my toddler came out and shook the plant. He saw me shaking the plants, so he came out to help me and broke the top off, but that's okay. This right here is the California Wonder bell pepper plant, and it just took off. I started coming out here shaking it a bunch, and it just started doing its own thing. Like, I didn't think it was going to get this big, really. So it's running into the tomato plant, which is doing great. As you can see, going all up the wall and everything. With lots of red tomatoes that need picking. Here's the other one. I still got small tomatoes on these. These are supposed to be bigger. They're getting a little bigger. But I also have down here my cucumber plant started, and it's got some bugs on it. I've sprayed them, but I don't really know what these bugs are. And a cucumber plant, here's a cucumber. It goes all the way around here into my bean plant. And it kind of went around my blueberry bush, which has seen better days. See, the leaves are just falling off there. I'm thinking this is just a bad spot for it. I fertilized it and everything, but look, you can see the veins in here. It was doing so well before, and now not so well. I cut it back a lot. That's why there's not much on it, because I did chop it down a lot to see so I could see what was going on. So it's kind of trying to die under here. If I come down here, we got the mint doing really good. Carrots, these pea sprouts, of course. I got the grow light on, like I said before. I got it on the blueberry plant right now. I'm trying to see if it can help it. And I got a bunch of string beans off this one plant. Like, all this is one string bean plant. And then I started growing some more down here. So they're coming up. I've gotten a whole bag of green beans off the plant. And these watermelon is still aren't doing so much, but we got some new ones back here. So I'm gonna see what they do. The okra didn't do anything. I came out here and started thumping it and then it started to stand up. So I'm not really expecting anything from the okra. These are the beets and things, and some more carrots. And then this is a great plant getting nice and woody. And my flowers out there looking sad because it's so hot. It's just so hot. This is the bean again, coming from all the way over there and making its way this way across the railing. That's one bean plant because all the rest of them died. Only one made it, and it's doing it. It's doing everything. This is my lemon balm. I'm thinking about making a smudge out of some lemon balm and mint because I have so much of it. Here's my aloe vera. And here's the new aloe vera baby that came out of there. Some more flowers. And since fall is coming, I also have my little grow container. I had this over in the greenhouse in the little grow thing, but I moved it over here to get some light. So I got some lettuce sprouts coming up in there, and I'll have a place to plant those. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up that cucumber plant because I think it's gonna just die soon after I get that last cucumber off. There's some more at the end, but I'm not gonna wait on those. Just gonna count that as a not so good harvest this year. Oh, forgot, I got my ginger in the back. I was wondering if it was time to maybe scoop it up. Not sure. And I got some other type of green growing back there. I don't know what that is. I can't keep track of anything I'm growing out here, you guys. There's so much, and I just keep like putting seeds in and putting seeds in and hoping something makes it, and then I figure out what it is later, and then I eat it. But hello, things are going so good out here. And of course the kids love it. So yeah, I know the grow lights don't look like the best thing in the world, but they're really helping the space. They're helping the garden out a lot. So I'm gonna have to cut down this aloe vera when it starts getting cool in order to take it in the house because it's just so big. But yeah, this is zone 7B, August 20th, second floor balcony garden, and that's what we're doing right now. We're doing pretty well for ourselves. Okay. Glad we didn't give up, right? Follow for another update. Thanks for watching, you guys. Like and subscribe.